tight then. Here we go. Ta-da! SpongeBob's house. Of all the theming on this, the pineapple I don't understand. On orange and not into the giant table but through the sub. We have our photo taken. Oh, that was a hefty break. And past the giant flamingo. I shall call him Bernard. And we're off again. It's exactly like going up 13's lift hill. Exactly. Except it's a bit slower. Oh! Woo! And here we go. Whee! Oh! Are you ready for it? And we're gonna go through the subwoofer! Better than take the tunnel. Going through the sub. And there we see the ride to happiness, which brought me absolutely no happiness at all. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you very soon. Bye.